Hey everybody, day 4 of building a Barndominium, having a blast. These Amish builders from Precision Trust and Metal are the best I've ever seen, and the house is looking beautiful. So I hope everybody enjoys this little short show, and we'll keep doing them until the house is finished. And please give a thumbs up, yay, and a like, and it helps us get to the front of YouTube. And subscribe. And we'll go through the whole thing through the what people will allow me to film. Some of the crews don't allow me to film, but we'll go through and show you what happens after, like the electric company comes here and stuff like that. But please enjoy. Thanks. You busted butt today. This is what the building is going to look like. I got most of the roof on. All the windows are here. The doors are here. Soon we'll be able to close it up. All the 2x4s are gone out of the living room. Probably gonna rain on it tonight, but it's kind of how it happens in the construction industry. Look at all that space up there. I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's a vaulted ceiling up there. You see how those are angled, whereas these are straight. So it's a vaulted ceiling. It's gonna be beautiful. I kind of wish they'd have done the stairs. There's gonna be a staircase that goes from there down there, so that I could look at the upstairs. It's got overhangs and gutters. Get back here so y'all can see. I'm getting ready to go to the grocery store. See, I got this side all cozied up there with the roof paper. I just hope it don't rain, but it's probably going to. But I've framed houses, it rains on them. Ain't much you can do. Of course, the perfect solution would have been to get it all buttoned up. Makes my dirt work look good down there. I ain't even finished. Got hangovers. I think it's called a soffit. I can't remember. But yeah. It's gonna be beautiful. Can't wait to see what comes out. All right, time for me to drop off my laundry and go get some groceries.